The all-new Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady 2 enters the ring against a tough competitor, the Bridgestone WeatherPeak. Both tyres are Three-Peak Mountain certified all-weather tyres. But which one truly delivers year-round performance? Let's break it down. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Bridgestone WeatherPeak set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the Tyre Review 2025 all-weather tyre tests. In wet braking, the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady 2 stops 10.8 feet shorter than the Bridgestone WeatherPeak, giving Goodyear a 10% advantage in stopping power on wet surfaces. In wet handling, the WeatherReady is 1.24 seconds faster, but this only translates to a 2% advantage in lap time. However, Bridgestone fights back in straight-line aquaplaning, resisting hydroplaning 0.1 miles per hour better, making the difference negligible in deep water stability. So in wet, Goodyear is the better stopper, but Bridgestone holds its ground in aquaplaning. In snow braking, the Bridgestone WeatherPeak stops 1.1 feet shorter than the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady 2, giving Bridgestone a 2% advantage in stopping power on snowy surfaces. In snow traction, the WeatherPeak accelerates 0.09 seconds faster, translating to a 3% advantage in grip when pulling away in snowy conditions. In snow handling, the WeatherPeak is 1.32 seconds faster, giving it a 2% edge in lap time. On ice, WeatherReady 2 stops 0.5 feet shorter, but Bridgestone accelerates 0.32 seconds faster, taking a 3% advantage in ice traction. Goodyear leads in braking, but Bridgestone dominates in acceleration. In dry braking, the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady 2 stops 15.3 feet shorter than the Bridgestone WeatherPeak, giving Goodyear a 12% advantage in stopping power on dry surfaces. In dry handling, the WeatherReady 2 is 1.64 seconds faster, but this only translates to a 2% advantage in lap times. In subjective dry handling, Goodyear also takes the lead, scoring 10 out of 10 versus 9.5 for Bridgestone, indicating sharper responsiveness and better cornering feel. So in dry, Goodyear takes the win with better stopping power, handling and driver feedback. For exterior noise, the Bridgestone WeatherPeak is 1.2 decibel quieter than the Assurance WeatherReady 2, giving Bridgestone a 2% advantage in reducing road noise. In subjective noise perception, Bridgestone also leads, scoring a 9.5 versus 9 for Goodyear, making it a quieter option inside or outside. However, in subjective comfort, drivers rated the WeatherReady 2 5% higher, scoring 9.5 versus 9, making it a better choice for ride quality. So Bridgestone wins on noise, but Goodyear takes the comfort edge. In rolling resistance, the Bridgestone WeatherPeak generates 2.1 less coefficient value compared to the Goodyear Assurance Weather 2, giving Bridgestone a 23% advantage in fuel efficiency. On price, the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady 2 is 1% more expensive than the Bridgestone WeatherPeak, a minor difference making pricing a non-factor in this battle. So, which one should you choose? If you want the best wet and dry grip, sharper handling and a smoother ride, the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady 2 is your pick. On the other hand, if you prioritize snow traction, lower noise, and fuel efficiency, Bridgestone WeatherPeak takes the win.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.